Yes, let me tell you something real. I've seen people pay millions for land only to find out that the papers were fake. That kind of pain, it breaks my heart. Before you pay a dime, here is how to verify the land document the right way. I am Ozal Chinedu, your realtor, urban planner, and someone who has seen the good, the bad, and the very ugly side of real estate in Nigeria. So many people fall victims just because they don't know how to verify land, they don't know how to verify their documents, they don't know all these things. And it's a very big concern. I'm here to clear you on that. The certificate of occupancy, which is the C of O. When you are issued that, don't just glance through it. Every C of O must have a fine number. You can check this at the state land register. If it doesn't match, you're gonna know, make sure you run. Don't purchase that land, don't buy it. Deed of assignment, which is the evidence of ownership. But here is the trick, this is what they'll not tell you. If it's not registered and stamped by the government, it is not valid though. It's not valid. It's not valid. Now for the survey plan, even if the beacons are there, go and confirm the coordinate. Make sure you confirm and be sure that yes, because there are lands that look fine, but it turns out under, like, it will not be under high tension wire. It turns out becoming under high tension wire. And they make sure the land are gazetted, even if it's family land. Yes, make sure it's gazetted. And they make sure it's government approved. You understand? Before one day, a government will carry bulldozer and demolish everything. There must be layout plan, even if you are buying inside an estate. Ask them for the government approved layout plan. That land may be in a flood zone or a buffer zone. But if it's government approved, yes, you'll be sure. You understand? Honestly, buying land can be exciting. You understand? But these are the things that you must know. You must know these things. As your realtor and your urban planner, I will help you check this document before you spend money. You understand? Don't fall a victim of all these tricks.